how to buy Genghis Khan AI token. I guess this is the name. So this token, it's under the symbol of KAHN. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there's referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards from crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. As you can see, before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available in this screen platform. So to be able to buy this token, but before that, the liquidity here are locked by 100% as good as many investment in the safe place. This token is increased by 270% in the last 24 hours. This token it's trending #1 in the screener. Now let's go on buy this token. So copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token is under the business network. Open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now I will log into my wallet first. Now what you need to do here, just select the business network here, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now paste the token address. As you can see, this is it. Click on this plus icon, go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. Just keep scroll down until you find it. So this is our token. Click on it and click on swap here. Click on switch. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, but make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy with, a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is enough. So that's easy and simple. Click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Khan token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.